So as well as the development announcement of the Fujifilm GFX 100 megapixel, Fujifilm has announced a brand new medium format camera in the form of the GFX50R, and I'm joined here by Theo. So Theo, tell us about this 50R.
So with the GFX50R, this is our first rangefinder style medium format camera. As you guys know, we've got the GFX50S, which is more of an SLR style camera. And like we've done with our X series, where we have X Pro and XT range of cameras, we want to do the same with GFX. So this suits all sorts of different style of photography. But as you can see, it's much thinner than the GFX50S, much more compact, fits really nicely in the hand as well. You have a tilting LCD screen.
Yep.
You've got a built-in viewfinder. Same sensor processor as the GFX50S, but the form factor's a lot smaller, a lot lighter, and it's more affordable as well.
The great thing about it is it's all about the size with this product, and just the way it's fitting in your hand there as well. It's going to be a very versatile camera for people who want to take medium format out and almost walk about with a medium format camera, which hasn't really been able to be done before with such a small camera such as this.
Absolutely. So we're getting many, since the announcement, we've got many street photographers, reportage and documentary photographers saying that that's really, really cool, because they can put a 63mm, they can input the zoom lens on it as well, but it's still relatively compact. But with the medium format sensor you have there, it's a huge, beautiful sensor there. The image quality is going to be absolutely fantastic.
So when can we expect this 50R to kind of come through and be available from, and in terms of pricing as well? Can you tell us anything about that?
I can. So the camera's going to be in the shops from November, so it's not long to wait. Body only in the UK is $3,999, and then obviously we have the full range of lenses as well there.
Excellent, thank you for that news. So there we go, that's the GFX50R from Fujifilm. Check back to Amateur Photographer for more videos here at Photokina 2018.